Welcome, in front of me is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So to begin with, we're going to open up the browser, which is Chrome, and from here you want to tap on the three little dots up here, and then choose History. And from here you can delete each history individually by tapping on an X. So select this, and it's gone. Or you can tap on the button below, which is clear browsing data, and then you have an option which you want to exactly clear: cache, cookies, browser history. I'm just gonna keep as it is right now, and then tap on clear. And now if you go back, your history is gone. Now not really sure what these are. Let's actually add more. So those are like some passwords and other stuff there. And as you can see, now all the history is gone and the browsing data is completely cleared. So that is how you do it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.